Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, all of you. Okay. Why was why was Fowler disappointed when he went to meet Osable? Who can answer? Ayush Ranjan? Ayush Ranjan? Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer karo. Why was Fowler disappointed when he went to meet Osable? Ayush Kumar? Aditya Raj? Aditya? Aditya, can you answer? Why was Fowler disappointed?
Ma'am, may I answer?
Okay, answer.
Ma'am, Fowler was disappointed because he thought that Oswald would be very smart and
Yes.
he would be very smart, but he was not like that. He was very unfit and yes,
Okay. One reason was that Oswald was not at all, did not have a smart personality as he had expected. The other reason was that the place where he was staying, it lacked any adventure or thrill. It was a small room on the sixth floor, and whatever he had imagined, nothing of that sort happened. He imagined that there would be wine and pistol and beautiful ladies who will pass on the message, dark eyed beauties. uh, all these things he had imagined that he will see at Osable's place, but nothing of that sort happened. It was just a simple, ordinary place with no adventure, no thrill. So he was very, very disappointed. So, okay. When did Fowler get the first authentic thrill, the real adventure? When did he get it? Bhavya, can you hear me? Bhavya, Bhavya.
Ma'am, can
Okay, okay, answer.
ma'am, when he entered to the room, he saw that a small automatic pistol in the hands of a man.
Yes. Okay. Yes. When he entered the room, he was very disappointed. But all of a sudden, he got a real adventure. When a man with an automatic pistol entered the room. So, uh, how will you describe Max? The appearance of Max. Dipendra Dipendra Kumar Singh, Tani. How will you describe Max? Who can answer? Answer?
Ma'am, he was tall and had a cunning face like fox.
Yes, very good.
ma'am,
So
he was thin.
yes, he was thin, slender. So he was slender. He means thin, and he was of medium height, and he had that expression of cunningness on his face. The crafty word is used to describe him. So crafty means cunning, And countenance. Countenance means face. So he had the cunning expression, like a fox on his face. So in fact, he was cunning because he wanted to get the documents which Osable was to receive in a unfair way by using the pistol. So in fact, he was a very cunning person. So, and what did what did Osable tell to Fowler about the balcony? Sugandh, Sugandh present hai? Anuj Sharan,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sugandh answer.
Ma'am,
What?
ma'am, Anuj Sharan can't answer.
Oh, Anuj Sharan, there is some. Okay,
His mic is
Sugandh, you
not
answer.
working.
Okay, sir. Sugandh, you answer.
Ma'am, repeat the question once.
So the question is, what did Osable tell Fowler about the balcony? He told him something about the balcony, that the
Yes,
balcony.
ma'am.
Okay. So what did he tell? Were you present yesterday, Sugandh?
Ma- yes, ma'am. He told Fowler
Yes.
that his balcony below the window had become a big nuisance.
Yes.
Ma'am, it was the second time in a month that somebody had got into his room from there.
Yes, very good, Sugandh. Yes. So he said that the balcony has become a big nuisance for him because it has made his house very unsafe. And he is going to protest against this to the management because he had
Yes,
already told the management to block the balcony, but the management had not done anything, and this time he is going to approach them in a very aggressive way, huh? Raise the devil means to approach very angrily and aggressively, protest. So uh, okay, so what was the reason why Max had come? Ayush Ranjan, Ayush, what was the purpose Max had come with the pistol? Akriti, Akriti, can you hear me? Akriti,
Ma'am, can I answer?
okay, Kishan, very good. Why not? Answer karo, Kishan.
Ma'am, he wanted to get the important papers.
Yes, very good. So Max was the rival of Osable. Max and
Yes,
Osable, Max and Osable were both in the same profession. Both were secret agents, and both wanted to excel. Uh, there was a lot of competition between them. So somehow Max came to know about Osable, that he was going to receive some important documents that is going to change the course of history. Those are very important documents regarding some missiles. So he forcibly intruded into his hotel room to get those papers. Okay. ये सब तो हो गया। So and then Osable explained about the balcony that it was not actually his own balcony. Earlier, the room in which he was staying, it was a part of a bigger unit. जिस कमरे में वो अभी रह रहे थे वो पहले एक बड़े यूनिट का एक बड़ा यूनिट हुआ करता था. Later on it was split into two parts and the balcony was common, and that is becoming a big threat to him because it anybody can enter his room. So it had the balcony which extends under my window now. You can get into it from the empty room two doors down. And somebody did last month. So he said that already somebody had intruded into his room the previous month. The management promised to block it off, but they haven't. So Max glanced at Fowler. He was standing stiffly, not far from Osable. So Fowler, he was a writer. He was not used to such unexpected things. So he was standing very stiffly, without any movement, very straight. He was very terrified, uh, and he Osable and Max waved the gun with a commanding gesture. एकदम ऑर्डर देने के आवाज में उसने कहा, please sit down. He told them to sit down because uh, they will have to wait for half an hour about the paper. And Osable corrected him that 31 minutes. Being a secret agent, time was very valuable for him. So he said that 31 minutes. The appointment was for 12:30. And then Osable expressed his surprise how Max came to know about it. क्योंकि ऑसिबल के जानकारी के अनुसार मैक्स को बर्लिन में होना चाहिए. हाँ, तो ऑसिबल बहुत आश्चर्यचकित हो गए कि मैक्स को पता कैसे चला कि उनको कोई इम्पोर्टेंट डॉक्यूमेंट्स मिलने वाला है. So Fowler, and we wish we knew how your people got the report. The little spy smiled evilly. Huh? Evilly means in a bad manner. Evil in a bad way. एक जो वो धूर्त वाला cunning smile होता है, he smiled in that way, and he said, "We wish we knew how your people got the report." So he said कि मुझे भी जानने का इच्छा है कि तुम्हारे लोगों को ये रिपोर्ट कैसे मिला. ऑसिबल ने उसे कहा कि मुझे जानने की इच्छा हो रही है कि तुम्हें ये खबर कैसे मिली. तो he replied to it, "Even I also want to know how you got the report. But no harm has been done. I will get it back tonight. Who is that? Who is at the door?" But Fowler jumped at the sudden knocking. So they were just conversing, and at that time there was knock at the door. दरवाजे पे knocking की आवाज आने लगी. Osable just smiled. "That will be the police." So Osable said that uh, it must be the police. I thought that such an important paper as the one we are waiting for should have a little extra protection. So Osable said that it must be the police because he had only called the police. तो Osable ने कहा कि जरूर पुलिस होगी क्योंकि मैंने ही उन्हें बुलाया था. Because these papers are very important. I wanted some extra protection. And I only had told them to check on me. I only had told them to come to see that everything was all right. So Max bit his lip nervously. अब Max के लिए ये unexpected था. He had not known that police are also going to come. Uh, now his foul play cannot be done. So Max bit his lip nervously. The knocking was repeated. What will you do now, Max? अब Max तो डर गया, उसके हाथ में पिस्टल था. He was using unfair means to get the document. He will be caught by the police. So he became very nervous. What will you do now, Max? If I do not answer the door, they will enter anyway. अब मैक्स के हाथ में पिस्टल था तो ऑसिबल को हर काम उसे पूछ के करना था. तो उसने पूछा कि मुझे दरवाजा तो खोलना ही होगा, अगर नहीं खोलूंगा तो वो तोड़ के अंदर आ जाएंगे. So the door is unlocked and they will not hesitate to shoot. And he said that एक बार पुलिस अंदर आ गई, if they see the pistol in your hand, they will certainly shoot you, even if they don't see the pistol. If they see intruder who has entered forcibly, they will certainly shoot. तो मैक्स फेस वॉज ब्लैक विथ एंगर. अब मैक्स के लिए ये बहुत अनएक्सपेक्टेड था. उसका चेहरा एकदम गुस्से से काला हो गया. एज ही बैक स्विफ्टली, सो क्विकली, वो स्विफ्टली मीन्स क्विकली, बहुत जल्दबाजी से वो थोड़ा पीछे हटा टुवर्ड्स द विंडो, and he swung a leg over the window sill. So window sill, sill is the bottom space. And so he एक पैर उसने window sill पे डाला. He swung a leg over the sill. Send them away, he warned. तो वो खिड़की के पास जाके छुप गया. He sat on the window and he hid there. और उसने ऑसिबल को इंस्ट्रक्ट किया कि किसी तरह जल्दी से पुलिस को bhaga de, send them away, he warned. I will wait on the balcony. He said that you somehow manage and send the police away. Till then I will hide in the balcony. I will wait on the balcony. तो ऑसिबल ने बताया था कि विंडो के नीचे जो है बालकनी है. Send them away or I'll shoot and take the chances. तो even threatening भी दिया कि जल्दी से पुलिस को अगर ऑसिबल ने नहीं भगाया तो वो उसको शूट कर देगा. And I will take my chances. And the knocking at the door is louder and louder. A voice was raised, Mr. Ossible, Mr. Ossible. So knocking is continuously repeated. So as you can see, विंडो सिल पे एक पैर उधर रख के and he is trying to hide himself near the window sill. One leg is on the sill and the pistol is still pointed, so keeping his body twisted. So बॉडी को टेढ़ा रखा है कि पिस्टल का एम जो है वो दोनों के तरफ हो, covered, twisted so that his gun still covered the fat man and his guest. The man at the window grasped the frame with his free hand to support himself. So uh, uh, the man at the window is Max. He held the frame. Grasp means to hold something. He held the frame with his free hand to support himself. Then he swung his other leg up and over the window sill. अब मैक्स को बताया गया था कि विंडो के नीचे बालकनी है, तो उसने सोचा कि वो खिड़की से नीचे बालकनी पे उतर के वहीं पे हाइड करेगा. So he just swung his leg over the window sill and the door knob
गिर गया.
turned. The door knob turned. So it was a well thought plan of Ossible. He immediately, when he saw that his life was in danger, he used his presence of mind to outwit his rival, to defeat his rival. So quickly he cooked up two false stories, one about the balcony and one about the police. So the doorknob turned. Swiftly, Max pushed with his left hand to free himself from the sill and dropped to the balcony. So as he threatened both the persons, and then he tried to jump from the sill to the balcony and dropped to the balcony. And then as he dropped, he screamed once shrilly. और जैसे उसने ड्रॉप किया, एक जोर की चीख की आवाज आई. खिड़की से वो कूदा लेकिन बालकनी में वो नहीं गिरा. High pitched sound. A high pitched sound could be heard
मर
as
गया.
he jumped. High pitched sound. So the door opened and a waiter stood there with a tray. So the door opened and who entered? It was not the police. It was just the waiter with a tray, a bottle, and two glasses. It was just the waiter who had brought the drinks. So here is the drink you ordered for when you return. So this drink was ordered by Ossible, he said, and set the tray on the table deftly. So deftly means very skillfully, very quickly and skillfully. He was a waiter, so he was very skillful in opening the corks of bottle, quickly and skillfully, deftly. Uncorked means opened. Opened the bottle, opened the cork, opened the cap, uncorked, and left the room. So the waiter just entered the room with the glasses and the bottle, and he opened the bottle and left the room. White-faced, Fowler stared after him. A Fowler, so ekdam, he was just puzzled. Fowler. He stared at him, but he stammered, "The police." Now he was very surprised. Uh, Oswald said that it was the police, but who had entered? It was just the waiter who had come with the drinks. So Fowler's face was white with fear, white faced, pale with fear. His face had become pale with fear, white. Stared at him, but he stammered. So he was so scared that he was not even able to speak properly. Uh, Speak with pauses. To repeat words or speak with pauses. Pauses, हकलाना. हाँ, डर, इतना वो डर गया कि वो हकलाने लगा. The police. There were no police. ऑसिबल साइड. तो ऑसिबल ने बहुत आराम से कहा कि पुलिस तो था ही नहीं, पुलिस को तो आना ही नहीं था. ओनली हेनरी. उसने कहा कि मैंने तो हेनरी को बुलाया था. एंड आई न्यू दैट the knock on the door was of Henry. I was expecting, but won't that man out on the balcony? अब फाउलर को नहीं पता था कि मैक्स had already fallen from the window and died. So he said that, "What about the man in the balcony? Will he not come back and shoot you? Uh, you have told a lie to him that it was the police. So if he comes to know that it is just the waiter, then he will shoot you. Won't the man out on the balcony?" Fowler began. "No," said Oswald, "he won't return." तो ऑसिबल ने बहुत आराम से कहा कि ही वोंट रिटर्न. ऑसिबल ने 6th फ्लोर से अगर विंडो से कोई गिरेगा तो देयर इज नो चांस ऑफ हिज बीइंग अलाइव. सो ही नोज वेरी वेल. ऑसिबल को अच्छे से पता था कि मैक्स जो है विंडो से गिर के मर गया होगा. तो ही सेड ही वोंट रिटर्न. "यू सी माय यंग फ्रेंड, देयर इज नो बालकनी." तब उसने फाउलर को रियलिटी बताई कि बालकनी तो बस उसने कहानी गढ़ा था. So just when he saw Max, he quickly created 2 false stories, one about the balcony and one about the police. And his plan, his idea worked and was successful. So, okay, so in between questions, first we will deal with शुरुआत. शुरू में कौन सा question? How is Oswald different from other secret agents? How is Oswald different? Not smart looking, not smart. Okay. Wes doesn't have the personality of a secret agent. So, who is Fowler and what was his first authentic thrill? Ayush,
Fowler is a
Bhavik?
writer.
Yes. So, Fowler is a writer, and first authentic thrill, when? What is his first authentic thrill?
He
Dhruv?
met Max.
Okay. When he met uh, Max, who entered with a pistol. That was the okay. Then how has Max got in? Max कैसे enter हुआ?
by a pass key.
Yes, by using a pass. How does Osable say he got in? How does how does how does
Through a
Osable
balcony.
through the balcony? Through the balcony. Okay. Then back question. So these are the words.
Glossary.
Glossary. Romantic means imaginative. Passably, just well enough. So it was mentioned in the first paragraph he could speak German and French just well enough. मतलब काम चलाओ. Passably. Espionage means spying. Sloppy, carelessly dressed. So Osable was a sloppy person. Prosaic means very ordinary. Got an ordinary. Chuckled, laughed quietly, wheezed, spoke, breathing noisily. हाँ, बोलते समय कुछ सांस का आवाज आना. That is wheezed. हाँ, the sound of the breath comes while you speak. That is wheezed. Missiles, weapons, shrilly, piercingly, in a high pitch. When uh, when Max jumped out of the balcony, he produced a shrill noise.
यार 20 को आईआईटी प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च इवेंट और इधर कुछ है.
What happened, Kishan? You want to say something? Kishan? Okay. So question is, Osable did not fit any description of a secret agent Fowler had ever read. So we are already told in the first paragraph, Fowler was disappointed. What do secret agents in books and films look like? You have read books, detective stories, secret agents. What do they look like, in your opinion, personal opinion? Then, so usually, what are what do the secret age? What kind of personality they have? They are smart, intelligent, and have a pleasant personality. Pleasant, impressive personality. Usually in books, the secret agents, they have a very good personality. Discuss in groups or in class some stories or movies featuring spies, detectives, secret agents, and compare their appearance with Osama. So, have you watched any movies featuring James Bond? देखा है किसी ने? Sherlock Holmes, Hercule Poirot, Miss Marple.
No,
No, I've
ma'am.
read the story of Sherlock Holmes.
Okay, Sherlock Holmes, yes. Dhruv, you want to say something? पढ़ते हो detective stories?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. So, how does Osable manage to make Max believe there is a balcony attached to his room? So, Osable narrates, eh, tells Max about the balcony, डिस्क्राइबिंग ऑल इट्स डिटेल्स. इतना सारा वो डिटेल्स देता है कि पहले वो एक बड़ा घर का पार्ट हुआ करता था. तो ये सब से क्या हुआ कि उसका जो डिस्क्रिप्शन था वो बहुत रियलिस्टिक लगा मैक्स को. Osable tells about the balcony, describing it in a very realistic way. With all the details. And also said that he had complained to the management about it. And also, and, and he also said that he had complained to the management about it. All this made Max believe that there is a balcony attached to the room with all the details, and also said that he is going to deal with the management aggressively. Management aggressively for not blocking the balcony. So you can write all this detail. तो इतना सारा वो what makes his story convincing? He adds all the false details. He adds so many details to the story about the balcony, which used to be a part of a larger unit. And he said that he had already complained to the management, but they failed to block it. And all these details make his story very convincing. Looking back at the story, when do you think Osable thought up his plan of getting rid of Max? कब वो plan बनाया होगा? Did he take much time? Or immediately he must have planned? What do you think? बताओ कोई? He made this plan immediately. Immediately when Max had entered. Huh? Because there was not much time. He knew that the waiter was going to come. So he knew that the waiter was going to come in any moment. So immediately he would have made the plan. समय तो नहीं था. वेटर किसी भी टाइम आ सकता था. ड्रिंक उसने ऑर्डर किया था. It was not a well thought of plan. पहले से कोई detailed plan नहीं था. He used his presence of mind and immediately he made those stories. So he had not planned it earlier. That you have to mention in this question. That he had not planned it earlier. Not planned it earlier. So talk about it. So in this story, Osable shows great presence of mind or the ability to think quickly. So Osable had this ability to think very quickly. Immediately he made two false stories and act calmly and wisely, and he was not very upset or nervous. So in a situation of danger and surprise, give examples from your own experience or narrate a stories which shows someone's presence of mind. uh, so you also have to narrate a similar story जिसमें तुमको भी ऐसा ही कोई स्टोरीज लिखना है जिसमें किसी ने अपने इंटेलिजेंस से कोई बहुत बड़े खतरा को टाल दिया हो. So all of you can write. स्टोरी राइटिंग तो 9th में प्रैक्टिस किया था ना. So you can write a story, then discuss what would you would do. So this is your personal. अगर तुम्हारे सामने अचानक से कोई इस तरह का खतरनाक सिचुएशन आ जाए तो discuss what you would do in the situations described below. So remember, the presence of mind comes out of a state of mental preparedness. So you have to think very logically and reasonably. You have to use your presence of mind. What will work out? Should be quick and come out with reasonable plans. So your homework is to do the question answers of this chapter. The Midnight Visitor. Okay. Anything that is not clear, you want to ask anything? Hello? Hello? Story समझ में आ गया सबको? ऋषभ रंजन? ऋषभ क्लास में तो था शुरू में. Got bored and left the class. हर्ष राज समझ में आया? हर्ष राज, no response. Harsh Raj 10B. Harsh Raj, no response. कृति गुप्ता, आया स्टोरी समझ में? कृति, कोई जवाब ही नहीं आ रहा.
स्टोरी समझ में
आया? Okay. Okay, so Kriti has replied on chat. Okay. Okay, so you do the question answers. In the next class, I will take up some grammar topic, modals or subject verb agreement. We have done it in class 9, but we will repeat it once again. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye all of you. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Good day, ma'am.
Good day. सब लोग अपना कॉपी लेकिन अपडेटेड रखना. क्लास 10 है.